Blessings to you all, viewers and subscribers. Hope you all are doing okay and on safe grounds. Elsa mashing up Jamaica. People watch these videos, them no normal disaster.
God.
Watch out, Jesus, have mercy. Have mercy, God. Have mercy, no God. Take up the card. That card I wash with.
You know what's with? May I plug it over?
Jesus, have mercy in my house, I tell you. Take up the boat. One I place up in the no God. Jesus.
Bomba.
Jesus.
Excuse me.
Jesus. No way.
Excuse. Turn off all I switch them. Turn off everything.
No way. Lord have mercy.
Scotty, stay over here then.
Lord have mercy. You take up your car?
Yeah, I'm plug out everything.
Mercy.
Mommy, the car moved to blow. Maybe. Try go in, maybe. Lord God, mommy, the car. Bomba. What is man? Mommy, let in Scotty. Come out the door. Lord God. Mommy, lock it door. No, don't lock it. Make it stay. Make the grill stay and catch anything where I try to wash it. Make it stay like that. Mommy, daddy car lift up and move, you know.
Stand him. Jesus have mercy. Jesus.
Mommy, door pull and gone na Daniela room. Oh. Lord Jesus. What this man? Maybe alright. Look, man, the car lick here, you know, maybe it's moving, you know. The car wash away, you know. No, man. The government have to go do something about this. Eh? I don't know.
We done.
Yes, people. Elsa turned Jamaica roads and home into swimming pool. You see that black boy skating down the step? Lord, what if any splinter, what if anything in the way to damage the bomb? They're skating down the step, having a wonderful time. The water is everywhere. Everywhere, people. Homes, road. When Elsa finished, the road gonna be mashed up and need fix all over again. That is flatbridge right there, people. You know that soon it will be impossible. I don't know, see that car coming around there? You better hurry up, because it can come down and cover that bridge anytime. Yes, people. This is Elsa. See another bridge there, people. Raging and people standing on the bridge looking. That water gonna go across that bridge anytime, you know. And it's strong current that. And they on the bridge here standing. Standing and looking as everything is okay. That road is done for. See that road, it mash up it. That's a swimming pool. Or maybe river. See how it mash up. Now the government have to prepare for these disasters. These natural disasters. The government have to prepare, clean gullies, clean the areas surrounding all the road, the ponds and all of that. Make sure they don't flood over when you have such a hurricane or so, because the whole place gonna flood. People watch this lady now. Oh my God. She thinks she stepped down in and she stepping on the road. She dropped down in maybe a manhole or some deep pothole. You see that, people? I know she damaged her foot or something there now, but I'm so glad that she didn't wash. We're gone somewhere else. This is not good at all. Look at people's homes. A piece of bridge, if it come up any stronger, I maybe wash it away. The government must clean gullies, and the people them must not throw garbage and all of that. Even though so far I haven't seen any garbage, but the gullies need to be clean. And people living in the area where those big gullies are around them should make sure that the government clean them. Who is responsible to clean them, clean the gullies, the gutters and all of them places, so the home don't flood, because every time a tropical storm or hurricane, that is how the whole place flood. People home flood, alligator on the road, people in the water. That's dangerous, because the alligator, they might be in the water and somebody getting eaten or so. See, look in front of that gate. That's a boat, that's a canoe they're pushing across there now. A boat. It becomes a river where you can go in a boat and sail, maybe catch fish. Lord help me. Yes, you can go in the boat and sail in front of home. This is bad. Yes. You must have a way to drain away all those water. Yes, make preparation. The government, it can't be like this every time. You know that June month and we are in the hurricane season. These things should be fixed already every day. At least Barbados get their house blown down and trees root up. But it's just the rain in Jamaica getting, the heavy rain and a little breeze. Yeah, a little wind and heavy rain. And the whole place mash up. I don't see Barbados street like this, because the government makes sure so the gullies and the water of the mountain or rivers, they run into the sea or where a proper way. They fix them. But these people, I don't know, the Jamaican government, they need to fix this. It can't every day when hurricane people suffer like this. Every year, not every day, every year. Water everywhere. All this tractor trying to clear the roads and push away debris and all of that. They need more than this one out there. They need others to help. One can do, but maybe this area have one who can help. But this is not good at all. The government need to do better. People comment. This is how Elsa did doing in Jamaica. tearing up the place, a lot of water. But these gullies, these gutters and large gullies need to be clean. Every time a hurricane come or a thunderstorm, this is the way how it flood out in Jamaica. People, remember to subscribe. Don't leave and not subscribe. Thanks for watching.